Hello everyone. Now we are going to study the exercise 21b. 21b exercise which depend on the surface area and volume. Now in this exercise we are going to see the question number first. See how many person can be accommodated in a big hall of the dimensions 40 meter, 25 meter and 15 meter. Assuming that the each person requires the 5 cubic meter of the air. So number of person is equal to volume of hall divided by volume required for the each person. Okay, volume required for the each person. Length of hall L will be 40 meter, breadth will be 25 meter and height will be 15 meter. So we can find the volume volume of the hall should be, see, volume of the hall should be LBH 40 into 25 into 15, 40 into 25 into 15. So volume should be the 15,000 cubic meter, 15,000 cubic meter, and each person require the 5 cubic meter. Okay, so we have to find number of person can be accommodated in, so volume of the hall divided by volume required for the each person. So volume of the hall will be the 15,000 and volume required for the each person which will be the 5. So divide 15,000 by 5. So 1 the and this is the 3,000 the. So the answer will be 3,000. So how much is the answer? 3,000. How many persons can be accommodated in that hall? 3,000 persons. Okay. After that, we will see the question number 3. Okay. Question third we will see. Question number third is given the length and breadth and height of the room. L is given, B is given, and height is given, which will be the 6 meter, 5.4 meter, and 4 meter respectively. So find the area. We have to find the area. It's 4 wall. What we have to find? It's 4 wall and its roof. It's 4 wall and its roof. So here we will see length of the room which will be 6 meter, breadth of the room 5.4 meter, and height will be the 4 meter. So we have to find the area of the 4 walls. Area of the 4 wall, there is a separate formula. 2 into bracket LB L plus B out of the bracket into H. 2 into bracket L plus B bracket complete out of the bracket there is H. Now we will see. We will put these values here in this formula. 2 into bracket 6 plus 5.4 into 4. So do this calculation. After doing the calculation, 2 into 2 is out of the bracket, 6 plus 5.4 which will be 11.4, 11.4 multiply by 4. So this 4 into 2 8, 8 into 11.4. So the answer will be 91.2 meter square, 91.2 meter square. Then we will see the second for that. Area of the roof will be L into B. L into B. L is how much? 6. B is how much? 5.4. So after doing calculation, 32.4 meter square. 6 multiplied by 5.4. This is the fourth class multiplication. 6 into 5.4. Do this calculation by pausing the video. You can pause the video, do this calculation on the page. So 6 into 5.4 is equal to 32.4 meters square. Got it now? After that we will see the another one problem. The fifth one we will see. Okay, the fifth problem is there. We will see the question number fifth. See, in this question number 5 we have to give one. The dining hall of a hotel is 75 meter long, 6 meter broad and 16 meter high. So we have to give one L, B, and this is H. Okay, so this is L, this is B, and this much is the H. So we have to find, it has 5 doors, 4 meter by 3 meter each, and 4 windows, 3 meter by 1.6 meter each. So find the cost of, we have to find the cost of papering its walls at the rate of 12 rupees per meter square, carpentering its roof at the rate of 25 rupees per meter square. Okay, we will see the answer. So we have to give one. This is for L, this is for breadth, and this is for H. That means LBH is given. Now find out area of the four walls. But we have to find area of the four walls of the dining hall, which will be the 2 into L plus B into H. Then put the value 2 into L is how much? 75. B is how much? 60. 75 plus 60 multiply by 16. Then do this multiplication. After doing the multiplication, 2 into this addition will be the 135. 2 into 135 into 16. So 2 into 135, which will be the 270, into 16. Then the final answer will be the 4320. This calculation will be the 4320. Then area of one door, we have to find the area of one door. Then 4 into 3, 12 meter square. Area of 5 doors, how many doors are there? 5 doors are there. So 12 into 5, which will be the 60 meter square. 60 meter square. Then area of one window, we have to find the area of window. 3 multiplied by 1.6, which is length is 3 and breadth is 1.6. So which will be the 4.8 meter square. Area of 4 window, how many windows are there? 4. So 4.8 into 4, which will be the 19.2 meter square. Okay, so area of the walls to be papered. Okay, area of the walls to be papered. So total area will be the 4320, and from that subtract the door area plus window area. Okay, door area plus window area. So 4320 minus this addition will be the, okay, this addition will be the 79.2. 79.2. So what is the final subtraction? 4240.8. 4240.8. This subtraction, after doing the calculation, the answer will be the 4240.8 meter square. Now we have to find the cost. Cost of papering. Cost of papering of the walls will be the 12 rupees per meter square. So 4240.8 multiplied by 12. Okay, do the calculation, do the multiply, and the answer will be the 50889.60. That means 50,889.60. This is the answer. This is the cost of the papering. What the cost? Then we have to again find out the area of the floor also. Area of floor, which will be the L into B. L will be the 75 and B will be the 60. So 4500 meter square. Then find the cost for the carpeting at the floor for the rate 25 rupees per meter square. So how much is the area? 4500, and rate will be the 25 rupees. So 4400 multiplied by 25. So the answer will be the 11th answer will be the 112500. 112500. So this will be the answer. Got it now? After that we will see the another one problem. Okay, so we will see the question number 7 now. A closed box measures 66 centimeter. A closed box measures 66 centimeter, 36 centimeter, and 21 centimeter. So these are the dimensions. okay, from the outside. If its walls are made of metal, which will be the 0.5 centimeter thick, 0.5 centimeter thick. So find the capacity of the box. We have to find the capacity of the box. That means we have to find the volume. What we have to find? Volume. Then volume of the metal sheet. Okay, volume of metal sheet. Then weight of the box. If 1 centimeter cube of metal weight is equal to 3.6 gram. So we have to find the weight also. These three things we have to find. So we will see first external length of the closed box. External length of the closed box will be the 66 centimeter L. This is B and this is H. So you got L, B and H. Then external volume of the closed box. External volume LBH, LBH. So which will be the 49,896 centimeter cube. 49,896 centimeter cube. Then internal length. We have to find an internal length. Okay, internal length. Internal length will be, here we have to find out the internal length. So which will be the 66 minus 2 into 0.5. Why 2 into 0.5? Because it is having the two sides. One is from the left side and right side, and the thickness will be the 0.5. So 66 multiplied by 66 minus 2.2 into 0.5. So 2 into 0.5, which will be the 1. So 66. So which will be the 6 is equal to 66 minus 1. So how much will be the L? 65 centimeter. Same way, internal breadth 36 minus 2 into 2 multiplied by 0.5. So 36 minus 1, 35. Internal height 21 minus 2 into 0.5. So that means 21 minus 1. So which will be the 20 centimeter. So you got internal. This is L, this is B, and this is H. Got it now? So here internal volume of box. We have to find internal volume of the box, which will be the L into B into H, 65 into 35 into 20. So which will be the 45,500 centimeter cube. So then we have to find the capacity of the box. What is the capacity of the box? Which will be the 45,500 centimeter cube. This is the capacity. And volume of the metal sheet of the box. Volume of the metal sheet of the box is equal to external volume minus internal volume. External volume minus internal volume, which will be the 49,896 minus 45,500. So how much which will be? So the answer will be the, see here, 4,396 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the metal sheet. Then we have to also find 1 centimeter cube of metal weight. 1 centimeter 1 centimeter cube of metal weight will be the 3.6 grams. 3.6 grams. So weight of the box will be 4,396 multiplied by 3.6. 4,396 multiplied by 3.6 gram. So the total weight will be the 1,000, sorry, 15,825.6 gram. Okay. Then we will see the another one problem, which will be the ninth problem. We will see after that. Okay. So we are going to see the ninth problem. See now, find the area of metal sheet. We have to find the area of the metal sheet required to make an open tank of length is equal to 10 meter, 7.5 meter and 3 meter depth. So we have to given here L is given 10, B is given 7.5 and depth is given 3.8. So these are the dimensions. Okay. Now we have to find here area of four walls. Area of four walls, the formula is there, 2 into bracket L plus B out of the bracket H. 2 into bracket L plus B out of the bracket H is equal to 2 into bracket 10 plus 7.5 into H, sorry, into depth, which will be the 3.8. Okay, then do it here. L plus B, 2 into L plus B will be this addition should be the 17.5 into 3.8. Then after that we have to do these calculations. 35 into 17.2 into 17.5, sorry, 2 multiplied by 17.5, which will be the 35 into 3.8. Then do this calculation now. 35 multiplied by 3.8, which will be the 133 meter square. Okay. Now area of the floor. Area of the floor, L multiplied by B. L is how much? 10. B is how much? 7.5. So do the calculation, which will be the 75 meter square. 75 meter square. Got it now? Now area of metal sheet required to make the tank. Area of metal sheet required to make the tank. So area of four walls plus area of floor. Area of four walls plus area of floor. So area of four walls will be 133 meter square. Area of floor will be the 75 meter square. Take the addition, 208 meter square, which will be the 208 meter square. Okay.